I got a bloody rapier. Amazing. Shit. I still have to.
Amazing.
Shut a bit. Shut the fuck up.
Why are you guys jumping me now?
Walk through me. His whole strategy is walking through.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Get this fucking asshole out of here, bro.
Yo, you want your sword back?
Jesus.
Fucking goofy.
Okay.
Jesus, bro.
Ah! No, we'll show you the true power of a Namekian.
I'm gonna go do that now.
I told you, bro, if you do that pose, you die. I told you. Nobody that's done that pose wins the fight.
Be like, I'm gonna show you the true power.
Oh yeah, by the way, somebody Yoshi, or I guess it's Tam on Yoshi's account, he dropped his bloody rapier and I picked it up right before I died, so I ended up with it when I spawned in. So if they all
dog.